My name is Aruzhan. Today we are talking about changing seasons, yani mezgilden avusua. First of all, I want to show you one interesting video, so let's start. Go.
Long ago, there were 4 brothers and sisters: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. When spring comes, the snow melts and flowers grow. The weather gets warm. Summer says, "I bring the sun." The days are hot and fruits grow. When autumn comes, the leaves turn yellow and fall down. Children go back to school. Winter comes in a white coat and says, "Children, wear warm clothes. Winter is cold." The 4 seasons come one after another and help people.